Always drink your water first in the morning, guys. Alright guys, eggs, breakfast for champions with a cup of milk. Alright guys, so I know it has been a minute since you guys have seen me. It's been almost like a month or two that I haven't made a video or anything. And I'm talking low because there's people still sleeping currently. It is currently at this time 6:20. And yeah, I usually wake up around 5:30 to get my day started, and you guys are with me today and get started. So first things first, protein. I've been going to the gym a lot, trying to gain muscle mass and all that stuff, so eggs is a very good way to get your protein in the morning. And yeah, so it's breakfast is served. And that's how you do it, guys. Breakfast for champions. Alright guys, so first things first, let's thank God for giving us another day. It is currently 6:33, and yeah, it is dark outside. It's dark, but that's not gonna stop us. We're gonna have a great day today. I'm actually going to school right now, so yeah, let me just tell you guys what this video is gonna be about, and let me explain myself better. So let me start my car first. I got a new car, guys. I got a Lexus LS400. We're gonna make this like a VIP build later on. You sit up. Alright guys, so I need to fix my tail light. That's bad. But guys, I know why you guys are here. You guys want to find out how to start motovlogging as a beginner. And it's not that hard, to be honest. It's not that hard. I will get in detail with it right after school. So the next clip should be after me after school. And yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so we're back from school. It was a good 8 hours for me. It's about a millisecond for you guys. But yeah, I got everything laid out, everything I need to show you guys how much it costs to begin motovlogging in a way. This is everything I have. It doesn't look like much, but it makes the job. Well, I gotta put my phone there actually. Alright, let me just set you guys down, and we can get started. Alright guys, so first things first, you need a camera, right? You can't really start motovlogging without a camera. So what I went with is the GoPro Hero 7. This is actually the silver edition. What you guys actually want is the black edition, and I'll get to that later on in the video, just because it's part of the stuff that you need. But you would want to get the black edition. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to the camera that you guys need. Not much to say. You can get a lower quality camera, but it's not gonna be the image is not gonna be as crisp as a Hero, as a GoPro. You know what I'm saying? There's other cameras out there that do the same thing, but I went with the GoPro. The price for the new GoPros, I'm gonna try to put it on the screen, and so you guys can see, compare prices and all that stuff. But yeah, so first things first is the camera. You guys need a camera. Second thing is you will need the GoPro helmet mount. Now, whatsoever, it's not too expensive. They're about $30 to $40 to get the GoPro helmet mount. Probably even less. I don't know. I don't remember where I got. I think I got mine off of Best Buy, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, super. I already had one of them break on me, but I had to go get another one. So you could probably get a kit cheaper on eBay. There's probably a kit cheaper on eBay, but I'll leave the link in the description for this one. This is actually a GoPro mount. So the other ones on eBay are like Chinese ones. So yeah, that's that. You guys will need a GoPro mount for your helmet. What I did is I put one of the sticky pads on the side, and then it just clips in like that. And then I can play with my angle however I want. It has two swivels, 1, 2. So yeah, that's that. Works perfect for me. Never moves whenever I'm popping wheelies. Whenever I slam the front end down, nothing. It stays secure. So that's a plus. All right, third thing, you will need a. Okay, let me get to this. Would be the third thing, just because I'm saying this is everything that I use. So this is what's working for me, and this is probably what's gonna work for you if you guys want to like start making motovlogs. I actually use my iPhone to edit my videos. Perfect. I mean, you guys might think that iPhones and phones can't edit, like you can't edit nothing on them because they're not computers. But what I use to edit videos is mostly iMovie. I'll put it in the screen. iMovie, and I use Adobe Premiere Rush. Those two apps together make a miracle. You guys are gonna see watching this video. I'm gonna edit this video with Adobe Premiere and iMovie together. And what I mean by edit them together, I edit the video on iMovie first, like the clips that I do, and then I edit some of it. And then I like save it, and then I move it to Adobe Premiere Rush, and I edit it more on there. You just have to get technical with it. You got to learn how to edit the right way on Adobe. It's a little weird, but yeah, I'll leave the link in the description, or I'll just put it up on here on the screen. All right. Fourth thing, you will need, if you're gonna use your phone. I mean, you can use your laptop if you want to edit videos. If you have a laptop, unfortunately, I don't have a MacBook or anything like that. But what you can do is you need a SD card to flash cable to connect into your iPhone, just like that. And what that does is you put your SD card in here, and all the files that you have in here connect into they go into your camera roll, and then you can download whatever videos, photos, whatever you want. And it's way faster because I was doing the link Wi-Fi through the GoPro to my phone, and it was taking me about like 20 minutes to transfer 4K videos and all that stuff. So this saves a bunch of time, and it gives me less headaches. So yeah, this is exactly what it looks like. It's just a piece of cable, and this actually cost me $30. Believe it or not, $30, guys. So it's a little pricey for a piece of cable, but it gets the job done, and it gets the job done fast. So I really support this product. If you're actually gonna do motovlogs like that. And the fifth thing that I got is the GoPro Hero 7 adapter.
This adapter cost me $60 on Amazon. I bought it thinking that I could use it. This is exactly why I tell you guys to get the Hero 7 in black, because if you notice the Hero 7 in silver, actually you can't connect an adapter to it to put it to a mic. I was trying. I was wondering why it wasn't working, and I went to Geek Squad in Best Buy, and they told me that it's not compatible. You would have to have a Hero 7 in black. Now, I will be getting a Hero 7 in black. I don't know when. Probably do something with this one, but yeah. So get a Hero 7 in black. So this could be so you can have a mic adapter that's compatible with the camera. Now, that being said, that's why I haven't been posting that many I haven't posted any videos with good quality audio, because I can't connect the mic adapter to the Hero 7 silver. So yeah, guys, do that. Get a Hero 7 in black, and it make your life just way easier. And I mean, if you really wanted, this is what it looks like. And then, well, actually, what it looks like is this. This is exactly what you buy for $60. This is just an extension you buy extra. This is actually the mic, as you guys can see. And yeah, guys, I would like to make it work with the Hero 7. If you guys have any tips to make it work on the Hero 7 silver that I don't know, please leave them down in the comments below. I would love to like know about that. And yeah, just make my life easier to have audio on it. And yeah, that's really it. That's really all you need to start editing, making motovlogs and all that stuff. One other thing you probably need is a good SD card, just because you have to run 4K quality, so you have a good. I run a, let me see which one I run. I run a SanDisk 64 gigabyte, and this one's compatible with 4K. You have to check on the cover when you go buy it. I bought this one at Walmart. You can go check in the cover if it's compatible with 4K. When you go buy an SD card for a camera, you'll see the casing that it says 4K on it. And if it doesn't say 4K on it, don't even try to get it, because it's just gonna make your video quality less efficient, less better. You know what I mean? It's not gonna look as crisp. And yeah, guys, that's really all you need to start motovlogging. I will be putting all the pricing and stuff that my equipment costs and all that stuff on the screen and all that stuff, except the camera. I want you guys to get the right camera. I'm gonna search everything I can do to get you the right price and the right camera. So yeah, that's that. Alright, so yeah, that's really all you need to start motovlogging. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope it helped you guys. If you guys wanted to start a channel to start motovlogging, I highly advise you to do it. It is so much fun. Like, there's sometimes that I record it and I forget that I'm vlogging because I'm just having so much fun, and I forget to talk to you guys. But yeah, get a couple of this stuff. The little stuff is not that much expensive. The most you're gonna spend is probably on the camera. But yeah, guys, and I will be having a video up on the Grom very soon. I have some new things that I put on it. I want to show you guys probably next week. You'll see that video around there. But yeah, guys, stay proud of yourself, stay motivated, and stay happy. Peace.